Before we get racing, let's take a look at today's Project 91 driver. 2023 Truck Series runner-up Grant Enfinger takes the reins of the All-Star car today. Grant is a 2015 ARCA champion. He has 16 wins in 99 starts, but he's known even more for his truck career, where in almost 200 starts, he has tallied 12 wins, 66 top 5s, 115 top 10s, and 6 pole awards. Grant only has 2 starts above the Truck Series, most recently for Legacy Motor Club in 2023. Here they come. Kobayashi nosed out to the lead in the 67, but here comes Daniel Hemrick in the 31. Monster run, and he's going to take it from Kobayashi. Jones gets through for second. The 31 wins. Here they come. Alfredo falling out of it. It's a 3-horse race. Ty Dillon, Chase Briscoe, Austin Hill. The 50's going to hit the wall. Chase Briscoe gets it by less than a 10th over the 33 of Austin Hill. Here they come. Bubba Wallace out to the lead in the 23. Here comes Christopher Bell. Never mind. Bubba Wallace gets a run back at it. A 6-4. Maybe the old 23 car is back into form. Wallace moves on. I thought I heard the shuffle of angels sweet. Here they come. Ty Gibbs, for some asinine reason, had the lead for a second, but here comes Kyle Larson. What a tease. Ty Gibbs got nothing for him, falls back almost to fourth. Meanwhile, we had a photo finish up there with Larson and Cody Ware. The 15 almost took it from the 5. Here they come. Michael McDowell out to the lead in the 4 car. He's going to spin across traffic. Josh Berry's going to keep it straight in the 4. Finally gets his first heat race win of the season behind him. McDowell crashes hard with Byron, and the 34, who's had a spectacular start to the season up to this point after the car change, runs into a little bit of a problem there, up and over, rolls up on his side. You can run on for a long time. Here they come. Hamlin out to the lead in the 11, leaving everybody behind. It'll be a battle for second, almost a battle for the lead. Hamlin almost choked it. A 6-4 for the 11, ties Bubba Wallace. Go tell that long-tongued liar. Go and tell that midnight rider. Here they come. Kyle Busch out to the lead in the 8 car. Zane Smith trying to keep pace. He's going to get turned by BJ McLeod. Turns into the 8 of Kyle Busch, who spins across the line for a 6-7. The 8 car's moving on. Here they come. Carson Hocevar out to the lead in the 77. Logano into the first opening, slows down Hocevar, who almost loses it to the 7 of LaJoy. Photo finished between the 2 Spire cars. The 2 Penske cars had nothing for him. This 77 just beats the 7. Here they come. SVG in the 16 out to the lead. He's going to spin for the wall. He's going to hit hard, but he's going to pinwheel across the line. Uses the wall to get the win. And behind him, Justin Haley flips in the 51. He got hit by the 6, and that's what caused him to dig into the carpet there. Rolls almost one time over, gets up on the side, and then going to roll back on the lid and stay that way. Here they come. Gregson out to the lead, desperately needs to recover from last race. He's not going to do it. He's into the wall. Grant Enfinger almost got the first heat race win for Plot 91. Bowman's going to get his first instead. Here they come. Kaz Gralla out to the lead in the 36. Here comes Tyler Reddick. He's got a run. Contact from Suarez. He's in the wall. Kaz Gralla retakes the lead. And oh my goodness, a triple flip I believe that's the first one ever. We've had plenty of doubles, but Reddick goes over, then Burton and Suarez digs into the carpet to round it out. The first ever NDRRS triple flip. Here they come. I doubt anything that happens in this heat race can top what we just saw. They're trying hard, trying for a 4-wide photo finish. It's going to be 3-wide because Chastain can't keep a car straight on a straightaway. Martin Truex Jr. wins over Chase Elliott and J.J. Gailey. Here they come. Side by side, Daniel Hemrick and Kyle Larson contact as Hemrick came off the wall. Larson's going to hit the wall himself, and the 5 throws it away. Daniel Hemrick finally gets a shot at the semis. Here they come. 3 wide, neck and neck. Now Briscoe falling back. Now Gralla spinning for the wall. Kyle Busch, the middleman in knockout race 2, gets the win with a 6-8, and he'll move on. Here they come. An all-Toyota knockout race. What do they have in store for us? Hamlin gonna turn left on Bubba Wallace and put him in the wall. Truex spun himself, and Denny Hamlin will move on once again. Here they come. SVG out to the lead in the 16, heading for the wall. He's going to throw it away, but so does Hocevar. Into the wall with Josh Berry, and SVG gave them an opportunity, but they don't take it. Here they come. Denny Hamlin has the advantage, out to a big lead now against the 8 of Kyle Busch, who can't do anything about it. Doesn't even try to side draft the 11, who moves on into the finale. Here they come. SVG out to the lead. Which colleague car will join Denny Hamlin in the finale? It's going to be the 16. Daniel Hemrick had nothing for him. SVG kept it straight to advance. Here they come. Kyle Busch, Daniel Hemrick, neck and neck. Hemrick had the lead, but Kyle Busch turning right puts Hemrick in the wall. The podium merchant solidifies his name in 3rd place. Here they come. SVG out to the lead, but he's going to go into the wall. When will he ever learn to keep it straight in the finale from that lane? Denny Hamlin wins round 1, and to be honest, I'm not even all that shocked. Can he keep it straight in round number 2? No, maybe, yes he can! He beats Denny Hamlin by 1/10 of a second. Looked like for a second he was going to hit the wall, but corrected it and finishes the race. Can he do it again? Best of 3, the first of season 4. Hamlin gonna guide him in the wall. He hits hard, back end off the ground. Denny Hamlin, his 2nd win of the season, 3rd of his career, and wins race 4 in spectacular fashion.